Good afternoon. I have here today a Makita DHP482 3-function combi drill, 2-speed variable speed trigger. Why is this drill so cheap at the moment? You may have noticed this Makita DHP482 combi drill can be bought very cheaply at the moment as a single unit without batteries or charger. The main reason is because of two things Makita done at the start of this year. The first thing Makita done was raise the price of their individual 18V 5A batteries, and at the same time, paradoxically, it's my favourite word of the day, they put this full kit on offer. The DHP482 2 batteries and a rapid charger on offer. So as a result, you could buy this for full kit for the same price as it would cost for 2 individual batteries. So simple mathematics won out. You could hear calculators going all around the building sites. You hear people nattering. It was a complete no-brainer. Everyone started to buy the full kits, even if they didn't need this or this or the box. If they just needed the batteries, or even better if they needed the batteries and the charger, complete no-brainer. And they ended up buying the whole kit with some parts they didn't need. As a result, the most expendable part of the kit is this little beauty, the DHP482 handset. Now, the market is completely flooded with these at relatively low cost. They're all over eBay. There are people selling to their friends around the building sites, and they're available for 30, 40 quid in some cases, and you can pick up chargers fairly cheaply at the minute too, so that's good. So it's good news for somebody that wants a little combi drill for a bit of low intensity work or a bit of DIY if they have a bit of Makita kit already and have batteries. But I'm going to explain in my next video why buying this could be a good idea and why it could be a bad idea. So if you like this video, please give the video a little like or subscribe and check out some of the other videos. Thanks for watching, and look out for the next one.